We've waited a long time for this decision, and we are very disappointed.
Tears and disappointment tonight from the family of Rod Blagojevich after a federal appeals court overturned some of his convictions, but not enough to bring the former governor home. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kate Sullivan.
And I'm Rob Johnson. The appellate decision came down this afternoon, more than 2 years after attorneys filed their appeal. 5 counts were tossed. The rest were not.
CBS 2's Dana Kozlov joins us on set to explain what it means and why Blagojevich won't be getting out of jail anytime soon.
Well, Kate and Rob, Blagojevich has served almost 3.5 years of his 14-year prison sentence. The 3 appellate judges point to problems with some jury instructions as the basis for their decision today, but it doesn't change the rest of his case.
It is not justice, in my view.
Rod Blagojevich's appellate attorney is clearly unhappy with the appellate court's decision.
It's shocking to me that after a year and a half, this could be the result of the court's work.
The 23-page opinion came down with little warning. In it, 3 appellate judges tossed out 2 counts of wire fraud and 1 count each of conspiracy to commit extortion, attempted extortion, and conspiracy to commit bribery. All of those counts involve Blagojevich's talk of appointing White House senior advisor Valerie Jarrett to President Barack Obama's vacant Senate seat in exchange for a White House cabinet position. The judges say not a crime, writing a proposal to trade one public act for another, a form of log rolling, is fundamentally unlike the swap of an official act for a private payment. This, they write, was a common log rolling exercise. The ex-governor's attorney agrees.
This case is about politics.
The agreement ends there. The remaining counts involving Blagojevich's attempts to trade the Senate seat for campaign cash or personal benefit stick, and so likely does his 14-year prison sentence. That's because the remaining counts carry the same sentencing guidelines. But first, the government must decide if it will retry him. Do you think he should be retried?
No, I think he's been through enough. He was impeached. He was put on trial twice. He's been through the legal meat grinder.
My advice to the governor is that he should fight on.
Perhaps asking the full appellate court or even the U.S. Supreme Court to review the case. Today's decision also made one thing very clear. Blagojevich is not to be released pending further proceedings unless or until Judge James Zagel shortens his sentence. Rob and Kate, no comment from the U.S. Attorney's Office today.
And the judge is not compelled to even shorten it if he deems it inappropriate.
He could, but considering those other counts that remain carry the same guidelines,
Okay.
we'll see.
We will see. All right. Thank you, Dana.